All right, my people, welcome back. Well, it's a breaking news. Muslim ticket, Tinubu has made it difficult for us to sell APC. This had been said by Professor Dr. Shèttimà. All right, and then my people, many things though have been said onto this one. I think all these that are happening are just like in the favor of the Yoruba nation agitators right now. Yeah, so because right now somebody has said Tinubu and Shèttimà Tijeton as they finally pave way for the Yoruba nation actualization. All right, so my people, many things they happen and the many things they surely. All right, my people, the news in details. Well, on to this, according to a report from Politics Nigeria, Professor Doknan Sheni, the leader of the Christian members of the All Progressives Congress in the 19 states of the North, stated that Tinubu's selection of Kashim Shèttimà, a Muslim from the North, has made it difficult for the party's members to sell APC. After Bola Ahmed Tinubu announced Kashim Shèttimà as his running partner a few days ago, many Nigerians felt that the principle of justice and fairness in Nigerian politics had been breached. Professor Doknam Sheni, who believes that Tinubu made a grave error by selecting the Muslim ticket, stated that Tinubu has created an issue for the party ahead of the 2023 election, since his selection has led people to assume that there is no qualified Christian in the northern region. Well, meanwhile, he added that Yakubu Dogara, a Christian in the north, is popular enough to be Bola Ahmed Tinubu's running mate. In the 2023 election, Bola Ahmed Tinubu will contest against Atiku Abubakar of the PDP and Peter Obi of the Labour Party. Yeah, so my people, this is what we are getting right now. Yes, majority of people up till now have no are complaining that Tinubu selection of Muslim tickets had made it very difficult for the Christian APC members to sell him out. Well, my brother, my sister, this is something that a lot of people actually understand, that as far as this regime APC is concerned, they never have the feelings of every other person or the masses in their minds. That is why you can see this set of people coming out to do things on their own. And that is the major thing that will now make the other party to emerge the winner, because as it stands right now, majority of people are even have been of the opinion that any to one para. You understand what that means? That somebody that we never liked before is now behaving abnormal. All right, so you can define it in any way you understand it, but I think a lot of people will understand what this means. Well, the truth right now of the matter has been that we have other parties there, and meanwhile, out of the other parties, I think majority of people have been shouting obedience, the Labour Party. Well, the fact now still remains that we can't tell. The prayers of the people are being answered. That is why in anything you do, put prayers, because till these people will go wrong, they will think they are doing the right thing, and that is the power of prayer. Everything is not about killing, shooting, fighting. Oh, no. There is a lot that prayers can do, because God will not want his own people that he created to suffer. Look at what happened in Ondo State. Do you think God will keep quiet and watch these people go scot-free? No, they can never go scot-free. They will still meet their doom ahead. And then exactly what we are seeing right now. Now, a lot of people are saying, no, it should be a Christian Muslim ticket. And then somebody is coming out to say, no. Now that Muslim thing, I want. Do you think it's ordinary? Well, the prayers of the people have been answered. And then as it stands, majority of people are like, thank God, say don't shoot himself for foot. So that is to tell you that we can go for any other party. And if every other party still misbehaves, there's always alternative. Like God had actually made it possible. If God says these people will emerge and they will make things happen, then let's see how it goes. But if God says no, I know that definitely God will do the best. That's why I always campaign for the Yoruba nation agitation, that this set of people have seen it, that as far as this movement is concerned, though, as far as everything is going right now, there is nobody that can make it happen. But it's better we go our separate ways. And then I think it's not too much to ask. I always tell my followers it's not too much to ask. These people are asking for their right. They have given this set of people enough time to prove themselves, but they never did. They never did. They never proved themselves, because as it stands, majority of people are still suffering. Many people are leaving the country as we speak. So is that a good thing? Is that a good thing to follow? Is this the kind of legacy they want to leave for the unborn children, or for the people coming, the next generation? And exactly what we are talking about right now. The people have said it, that Ojudua nation no going back. Well, we are still trying to look at what is going to to play out at the end, because right now they know that we have some set of Yorubas who are like, and let us see if we can erase all these people. We can send them away and let the youth take over, so that we can rebrand it. And then some set of people are like, no, I'm not sure this can work. Let us follow our own nation, that is the Yoruba nation right now. And then right now everybody is just fed up. We can no longer continue like this. Okay. And then even as it stands, even the APC members themselves, they don't even understand what is going on. So we have seen it that some of them are actually defecting, some of them are withdrawing, some of them have even left the party finally, that they can no longer continue with this. Why would you tell us Muslim when we have Christians in the country? And how do you want these people to cope? Even when a Christian had been vice, when there is when the president is a Muslim, when the vice president is a Christian, a lot of killings are still happening in the country. Let alone now that you want to make it Muslim. That means you just want to be going to people's houses and be burying them on a daily basis. That's what it means, because the people have said it that this can't work, and then adamantly this set of people are like, no way, now our choice be that. Okay, so now one force people to dey on down now. So it's better the people separate, and that's why I always support the good people of the Yoruba nation, who always talk about the fact that they want to be on their own, and they let it be. If these people want to go, let them go, because you have not proved to them that you are capable to take care of them. And exactly what it is right now, a lot of people cannot go to their farm simply because of what is happening. Many people right now cannot even eat 3 square meal in a day, simply because of insecurity. Majority of people want to go for their businesses outside their location, but they will not be able to go because of fear of being kidnapped. Majority of the graduates right now are on the street doing many jobs, simply because the country is not in place. Now these people want to go their separate ways. They want to be happy for the rest of their lives. You are saying no, they shouldn't. And look at what is going on right now. And even the so-called the APC members are tired, are fed up of the system. And that's exactly what we are saying right now. And well, God is not a man, a prophet who walk from Mazenam the Kano. Finally, APC Buhari Tinubu have buried the party. Even his members are not happy, to the extent they have started leaving the party one after the other. All right, my people, this is exactly what we are getting right now onto this one. Well, and then somebody just said something that actually struck my heart. He said, well, Tinubu and Shèttimà Tijeton, as they both finally pave way for Yoruba nation to be actualized. And exactly what we are talking about. Well, when we talk about everybody come together, pray. Fine, no, though some sort of people have been like, even when we are praying, let us gather ourselves together to fight back, because these people, they might come in any form. But one thing I am so sure of is that when the people of God come together in one voice, in one accord, pray to God, the Almighty God will not open his eyes and allow this to continue to happen. And exactly what we are saying right now. When you come out with in faith in one accord, believe you me, your prayers will definitely be answered. Well, meanwhile, according to what Chief Sunday Igboho said in his words, he said, in any form, you can pray to your God that God will answer. Try as much as possible and come out and do the needful right now. If it's your own is to sit on a skin, do it well. Oh. If your own na to sit on that mat, do it well. Oh. Even the Onisheshe people make them do their home prayer. May God just answer us. So, and exactly what we are talking about. So, my people, right now, I think everybody needs to come together in one voice, and I think that is the ultimate right now. In one voice, have the same, the same spirit, have the same agenda, and I pray everything will definitely work out because right now they don't know what they are doing at all. And that is serious. Meanwhile, my people, this is what it is right now. Until this one, what more can we say? Meanwhile, let me have your own take on this, my people, and remember to subscribe for more updates. If you are new on this channel, thanks and God bless.